So hello, sir.
Hello, Tanuj, how are you?
Great, sir. It's like an honor to have you here. So, sir, as we all know that how you're spreading awareness in the people, and you are the one of the person who has done doctorate in ground earthing. So,
You are right. Actually, what happens even in not in the electrical power system field in your life also being grounded is very important. If you are being grounded, you are always safe and you are in a very good position to deliver your thing that you want to. Similarly, in the power system, when you are using the grounding in a very systematic and a pure design way, you are very safe. There is no going to any hazard, especially the fire hazard, safety hazard, shocking hazard. Even you can protect yourself from the lightning also with the proper designing of grounding system.
great, sir. So, like, sir, if I'll ask you some like one or two couple of personal questions. So,
Yes,
like,
yes, why not? Please go
so
ahead.
how did you complete your schooling, sir? In like, what was your major subjects in school, and from where did you complete your schooling, sir?
Okay. Basically, I did my schooling from San Narayankari Public School, government school, in fact. And throughout my career, I studied in Hindi medium, and then I did my diploma in electrical engineering. After my diploma, I went for B in electrical engineering. Then I did ME in the same field. Then I felt that I should do some professional course. I went for the MBA. Initially, I did MBA in HR. Then I got a chance to go to DRC, and I realized that I must have good knowledge about the financial. Then I did PGDM in finance also, and then I realized that I must have some specialized degree in the safety, and I went for that PhD in earthing through UPS Dehradun. And apart from that, I did one energy auditor and energy manager course also from Bureau of Energy Efficiency. This is small journey I have already covered. Big
This is
and
great to know about you, sir. So, sir, I have a question to you. Like, so while you were in school, so did it ever come across your mind that one day you will be becoming like this, or you will be spreading awareness in the people like this? Something?
still I feel I am a learner. I always love to be a
Yes.
learner. I am not in a queue to be at the top of any position, because when you are a learner you have win-win situation. You have nothing to lose. Either you learn something or you get some experience. That's why I love to be a learner always.
I totally agree with your point, sir. I totally agree because when you're a learner, then you will be like you will always have a zeal to learn new things every time. There is no such thing that you will like, "No, I already learned, so I don't want to learn anything now."
You are right, because every day start with a new hope.
New
When
hope.
you get up and to fulfill your dreams, you always think about for every day you should be a learner, because when you start learning something new, automatically it gives you energy, a potential. You start thinking in a different way, and definitely that will keep you in a different position than others, and that makes a big difference.
Great, sir. So, sir, like by the way, like you have become this. So, what was your profession as a child? What you wanted to become when you were a child? What was dream profession that you were having that time? If you can recall.
Oh, actually, I always wanted to be engineer, but at the same time, there was a teacher, hidden teacher was there in myself. I did engineering, and I wanted to fulfill my dreams of teaching, and I fortunately I got a chance to that social media. Now I am making videos on YouTube. I am delivering lecture through social media, and I'm creating awareness about the safety, and I'm giving some motivational speaks also. Let's see. I am not. It is sufficient for me to stop here, because I don't know where I am going to. Because Almighty can answer that thing.
So, like that's all. Like you, how you're contributing. in the society with all the skills you have within. So that's how you're serving
Yeah,
for us.
everyone has some hidden potential, and one should explore that thing. And there are very few person like me who could realize their hidden dream that I could. And to do that thing, you should be very persistent and consistent in your efforts. Because what happens when you start doing something new, there are so many hurdles starts happening in your way. You should not be deferred by. You should not be any kind of uh, obsolete. You should not be deviate from your path of success, because you have to defeat that defeat before that defeat defeats you.
Great, sir. So, sir, just a question. It comes across in like come across with everyone's mind. I am sure of that it come across with your mind as well. When you were like when you're pursuing this journey, so कई बार होता ना कि यार मैं बनूंगा तो मैं ऐसा नहीं करूंगा मतलब और I'll fix this problem that you might have seen in this like in this field in your profession. So you have that कि जब मैं बनूंगा तो I'll fix this problem.
Okay. Actually, I always want to be very simple, ground to earth, and I would like to be ready to help everyone who come across. And that is the objective of my life. Be grounded, help others, and be ready to serve your nation. And if you are starting doing something for your society, automatically you are doing indirectly for the nation. And nation come first for everyone. And
True,
for
sir.
me also.
True. So like in the India we have only 10 earthing doctorate if I'm not wrong.
Around even less than that.
Even and you're one of that. So sir, how was the feeling when you were pursuing this like this studies? So how was the feeling that and when you got your doctorate in this? So what was the feeling exactly that moment? Like so
Actually, I always want to be in that frame where all other five PhD doctors were there. Want to, I always wanted to be there. But the day when I got that PhD in the field of earthing system, I was totally nervous, because at the same time I had a big responsibility on my shoulder, because that was the exact time when I started realizing that I have to do something for my nation, and I started pledged to make India free of accident because of poor earthing, and I am working on that since award of my degree.
so this is a kind of zeal you have that you wanted to make India free of accident.
Yes, because of especially because of poor earthing, and I want to work in that direction.
So that's so great, sir.
5 minutes, no issue. I am here.
So
Any
sir,
next?
any kind of like project you handled where you have seen that you need to go extra mile in your career where you need to go extra mile like for helping others or someone need your support, so what kind of experience it was for you like in nothing while working if you have.
Actually, earthing is a subject that is the most selected subject so far power system is concerned. Because 99.9% power system engineers thinks earthing is very simple thing. And everybody feels, I used to feel that thing. It is nothing, you have to insert some rod in the earth and you are safe. But the people never tried to go into the integrity of that thing, that depth of that thing. And I started going that thing, and I started enjoying that enjoyment by going into the depth of that subject. And what I'm doing, I'm trying to make that difficult intricacy into a simple picturization kind of video. The lightning seems to be difficult, but I made one video on impact of the cause of lightning in Gurugama that happened yesterday only, by giving very small and easy statement, so that all Indians can understand the impact power system in a very simple language. That is the motive of my life.
That's so great, sir. Like spreading awareness is all that we need to have nowadays. Like, and you are making video, you're giving talks. So that's really important, that how you are helping others to develop. That's really impressive, sir.
Actually, you should have passion, and that passion should be accompanied with a compassion also. Then you start working on a path, the path that gives you kind of happiness, and you start working on the objectives of your life. I am on that path, and God knows when that will they come, when I will get success. But I am working hard on that.
Sir, as it was said by Steve Jobs, that we are working, we are giving major part of our life in working. So we should do what we really love.
Definitely. And I always love to go through the relevant regulations, IS code, IC code. I love to do calculations. I love to make the complex thing simpler for my youth engineer, because finally our youth have to take over the nation. If they are good educated, they can understand the subjects in a good way. Definitely they can help our India to grow, and we can feel proud of them.
That's great, sir. That's great. That how you are making sure that India is safe.
Mm.
This, you are a proud citizen of India, then you will become. We all will become proud citizen of India. That's great, sir.
Yeah.
So any
Basic,
statement that, sir, any one line statement that you wanted to give to the society?
I always say, always be persistent and consistent in your efforts to get success. Because success is nothing, it comes when you start working on your goal, your objective, with your consistent and persistent effort. And it is bound to happen. It will touch your feet. Just keep on moving, keep on learning, and whatever you learn, try to implement the same thing in your life. Learn good thing, implement them, and you can see the difference in your life. Results will definitely come.
True, sir. I totally agree with you, sir. Like, be it you are going slow or fast, that doesn't matter. But the matters you are moving. You are moving on. You didn't stop
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
That's what matter most. If you stop,
Sometimes the hurdles will come. You have to overcome them, and to overcome that, you have two things with you: smile and silence.
true, sir.
Smile to face the problem you are facing, and silence to avoid the problems that may happen when you start speaking something wrong.
Great, sir.
And
Great.
keep moving,
Sure. Keep moving,
keep
sir.
learning, and keep improvising.
Improvising is the secret of everything that we
Yeah,
want to achieve in our life.
yeah, sure.
Great. So it was a nice interaction with
And
you,
last
sir.
but not the least, yeah, thank you. And I am
So yes,
RSR
please
brand. I
complete your
always
sentence,
say
sir.
in
Please complete.
everywhere.
Please complete your sentence, sir.
Actually, I am RSR brand, and when you are RSR brand, automatically there's something different is going to happen with you.
So would you mind, like, I'm so sorry, like going extra minute. So would you mind to like elaborate this? What is, sir, RSR, so that I people will get to know what is RSR, sir, so that we'll able to.
Basically, RSR is Rajesh Sahil Rajput, and I am influenced with these two people.
Okay,
And I always say I have become the brand. And at the same time, technically, if you say RSR, it is resolute, self-reliant, and result-oriented person.
great, sir. Great. This is great, sir. This is. It was really nice meeting to you, sir, and like knowing
Thank you.
know more about you, sir, and how
Thank you.
grounded you are always.
Th- Thank you. Thank you very
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Stay safe,
much. Oh,
sir.
thank you.
Bye, sir.
Same to you.
Bye, sir.
Take care.
Bye, sir.